Well, I had a clogged sink. That was the first time, so it's been about a year. I saw Baker Brothers on TV, and that's really what kind of incited me to go right to them. So they sent someone out very quickly, the entire time knowing exactly what needed to be done, unclogged the sink, very quickly explained everything. A few months went by, I had an issue with my garbage disposal, called Baker Brother again. Quality control, exactly the same thing. Great receptionist, scheduled it perfectly. It was a different person that came in, acted the same way, highly technical, very professional. Love the service. A couple more months, I needed to get a new kitchen faucet installed. Called Baker Brothers again. Exactly the same thing. So obviously someone takes care of high quality and skilled plumbers and mechanical and HVAC and all the other things that Baker Brother does. It's all quality. So we were very pleased. Obviously, I will continue using Baker Brothers, and I would highly recommend that to anyone else.